What's good, and welcome back to Investing with Jack. So we're going to go over Wink, guys. We're going to go over the technical analysis as well as some price targets. All right, so we're down 10% on the day. We're down 30% on the 7-day. The market cap is 676 million, and 24-hour trading volume is 174 million. So let's get straight into the technical analysis here for Wink. So we're starting here, guys, on the 1-hour chart. And you can see here we're starting to consolidate in this wedge. It's actually a bearish pendant, and you can see we're starting to squeeze. We're still finding resistance along the EMAs, guys, which is bearish. You see here resistance on the 55, here as well resistance on the 20 and the 55. So let's put it here onto the 4-hour. So we're here on the 4-hour chart, and you can see it a bit better where we're forming this bearish pendant, guys, and we're starting to squeeze. And we either have to break upwards or break downwards. But with the fact that we're starting to hit the resistance on the EMAs, the likelihood of us breaking downwards is much greater. All right, guys. And that would bring us down here, well, depending on where we break out, to about 0.0006, which was a previous bottom. You can see the red wick. Let me make this a little more visible for you guys. You see your red wick right here came right down to that 0.0006, which would create a double bottom here for Wink. As you can see here, you come down, you hit your bottom, you come back up, and you come down and you hit your bottom, and you form a double bottom, which is a pattern of a reversal to the upside, guys. But of course we need our master energy Bitcoin. So I do expect us in the short term, unless we see some serious buying action, but signs are showing that we're going to come down here to 0.00006. So I'm going to put it here onto the 1 day and then onto the 1 week. Just going to drink some tea for Wink, guys. So we're here on the 1-day chart, and you can see, guys, we're trending towards forming that bearish cross here of the 20 over the 50. I'm actually going to pull up the bear flag pattern for you guys. Whoa. So you're right here, you have your pennants, and in a downtrend, when you see your flagpole followed by your pennant, it's bearish. It's a sign that you're going to break downwards. And then in an uptrend, you see your flagpole, and then you see your consolidation, you see your pennant, and you break upwards. Let's pull it up here on the chart. So here's a flag, bear. Actually, let's give me a bear pennant. Just a little bit of patience here, guys. So you can see it pretty well here, guys, where you have your flagpole, you have your consolidation, and then you break downwards. And you can see it here on the Wink chart. You have your flagpole, you have your consolidation, and then you break downwards, and that would bring us to that previous swing high at about 0.0006, and we are starting to trend towards forming the bearish cross of the EMAs. So it's quite likely, guys, and that is what I'm predicting, is that we're going to come down to that level. So we're here on the weekly chart. So we can see here on the weekly chart, guys, that we're starting to come back to the 20 EMA. Now, if we do come down to this 0.006, we will be a little bit under the 20 EMA. Which is nothing really to worry about as long as we're holding that support along the 20 EMA. But Bitcoin, if Bitcoin sells off further, I'm going to show you guys Bitcoin real quick here. So we're here on the 1-day chart for Bitcoin, and you can see we have our bearish cross of the 20 over the 50, and we're starting to trend down towards 42K, guys. Unless we hold this support level here at about 45,000. Unless we hold this support level here at about 45,000, previous level of support, then we'll come down here towards 42K. We have found a little bit of support here on the daily, on the 200 EMA, but it's pretty key, guys, that we start holding these levels of support here at 42K, previous level of resistance. Because, guys, if we continue to break down, then we come down to about 38,000. And if we continue to sell off even more, 37,000, if we were to do something like this, guys, where we would continue to sell off, well, guys, we could come all the way down to this previous level of support here at 28,000, guys. You can see this was a major level of support. But hopefully what we see is we start to find support in these ranges of 42K. And we have another level of support here at about 39,000, guys. I really don't want to see us come down to this previous level of support here at 28,000, but it is a possibility, guys. So in the short term, for Wink, I do expect us to come down to this 0.00006, and then we'll have to do an update video to see where we're going from there, guys. So we'll quickly put it onto the 4 hour, and then we will finish up our little Wink video here. So we're back here on the 4 hours, guys, and we can see we're hitting our resistance. Now, if Bitcoin were to correct quickly and the bulls were to step back in and we came back above the EMAs, that would be incredible, guys. But most likely what's going to happen is we're going to trend down to that 0.0006. But always remember to zoom out and remember that we've had that major pump. Now we can see here on the weekly, if we did come down to that 0.006, it would be a correction of about 76%, which we're seeing with BTT. We're seeing with many of the coins that had these massive pumps. All right, guys, so we're still healing up. We may correct further, guys, if BTC decides to go all the way down to that 28k range. Well, we have a previous swing high here, guys, at 0.0004, which is also a possibility, guys. It's tough to watch, guys. It's tough to go through these massive corrections with these kind of coins. But what we want to see is we find support in this range of 0.0006. If we were to sell off more to 0.0004 and consolidate, heal up, and start trending back upwards for Wink. And of course, for our friend Bitcoin, our major master energy, which we hope will start to find support in this area of 39 to 42. Because if we were to sell off more, well, guys, we're gonna come down, and we could come all the way down to 28k, guys, for Bitcoin. So that's it. Not the end of the bull run, in my opinion. We still have so much room to grow. It's just a hard correction and a very long period of healing and recovery. So not too much fun, but that's the game we play. All right, guys. So that's it for this one, guys. If you got any value out of the video, please smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications. If you're new, you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter. You can check out the Discord, Patreon link in the bio, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.